Let's see how se starts to play. This se. Well, you know that we have different ses in Persian alphabet. This one is one of them. Look at this. You know this one. Lowercase or small and capital. Remember this. Lowercase or small comes at the beginning or in the middle of a word. The capital one comes always and always at the end. One more thing that you should know is that this one sometimes attached from here, but always attached from here, like most of the other lowercase ones, huh? And this one sometimes comes alone, sometimes attached from here. Now let's go and see how they look like in the actual words. Look, here it is at the beginning, in the middle, again middle, and at the end. What's the difference between these two? See, it has to be attached always from this part, but this part sometimes attaches here, sometimes doesn't. Now look here. First, surati. Surati. Look, it attached to u, which you know because it has to. Surati. Surati is the same as pink in English. This one, look, it didn't attach because a doesn't want to attach, but here it has no choice. It has to attach. So, next one is asl. Asl. Asl is the same as original in English. Next one. Well, we know that q has to attach to the next word, like all the other lowercases, most of them actually. So it attaches to se. Yeah, and here it attached to the other one. This one you will learn in the future. So this one, qisse. Qisse. Qisse is the same as story in English. And the last one, as q wants to attach, so it attached to the se, capital se. But imagine that we didn't have q, so it wouldn't attach, right? Because re doesn't want to attach, so it can come alone. Raqs. Raqs. Raqs is the same as dance in English. Now let's go and see what we have for practice. Well, for practice, instead of saying pink, we say surati. Instead of saying original, we say asl. Instead of saying story, we say qisse, qisse. And instead of saying dance, we say raqs, raqs. And about here, up there, 1 or 2 lines, would be enough for 1 or 2 for these and 1 or 2 for this, because we want to point out the part that it can attach to other letters with another color, with another rang. Remember? Yeah. And if you could write each one of them just once, it would be really helpful for your future, that I want to teach you how to write down actual words, to make words. Well, that would be all. When you did your practices, please comment for me. And if you had any questions, again, comment. I will answer. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys next session. Bye.